Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something new for the brand new STI. Now it's nothing crazy, but it's something that definitely changes the look of the car. So we're gonna be installing the black vinyl roof wrap on Camacho's STI. This thing has been all over the place.
We started off in LA, went to Hawaii for like 2 weeks, and it's finally here.
It's finally here, guys. So Camacho's been waiting for like over a month now, huh? Way more than a month. And it was just like in random places, and then finally it showed up. So
I don't know where.
So first off, we got to get the roof nice and clean. Ongo's gonna spray it down with the hose. Make sure there is no dirt or anything that could get underneath the wrap, because we don't want any bubbles or anything like that.
Where's the jet?
No, man.
Oh, it doesn't say jet.
It says jet, or it says something else.
There's vertical.
The only thing that sucks about this install is that the 2018s come with this shark fin up top here. So that has to come off, and to get that off, we have to go inside the car, get rid of the liner, or take the liner down, and then pull it off. So that's the only difficult thing about this install. We have done a roof wrap before, so it shouldn't be too difficult.
The super soaker.
Oh, look who's here! Did you get him? Get him, get him, get him. Hello, hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Get right. Dude. Haven't seen you in like 2 weeks.
I saw you yesterday. What's up,
Who's this?
Alright, it's gonna be the hard part.
Get a tape and screwdriver again.
No more. We're never prepared for these things.
Right where Camacho is, there's a clip. Where Ongo is, there's another clip, and then there's another one right in the middle. And I think that's what releases. So that's one clip out. They're a pain. Camacho's trying to get the rest off. So Camacho was able to get all 3 clips out. We got them all right here.
I don't want to.
Now we just gotta pull, and hopefully it comes off. Looks like that wasn't the only thing that has to come off for the rear. We actually have to pull off a bunch of stuff. They already got the weather strip taken off. I think you have to take off the oh shit handles, and then also the side panels that go right here, I believe. So while they do that, Wombo and I are gonna work on getting rid of the black trim pieces up top here. That way by the time Ongo and Camacho are done, we can go ahead and start wrapping the roof. Oh. So one oh shit handle is off. The reason we took those off is because it won't give you enough room to pull back on the headliner without it creasing. So you want to take those off just so you don't have creases in your headliner later. Damn. That wasn't that bad. So these are just held in by clips. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips, and you literally just pry it off and it comes right off. So these are the clips that hold in this trim right here, and as you can see, maybe it won't focus, but it has a, it just slides off. So you literally slide them off,
the top off.
slide them back in like that. So we're gonna take these off just to get as much vinyl as close as possible to the middle of this. That way it doesn't fold up or anything.
Because this is the only thing that was holding it.
Push from the inside.
So that's the, I don't even know what is this? It's like a nut with something else, huh? This is what's holding in that shark fin looking thing underneath. So this is what we're trying to get.
Follow the line.
This great thing's in the way. Try it.
We gotta find that shit.
What was it doing though?
Huh? Reveal it right now. STI update. There is no update. It's in the same spot where I left it. Update. To the truth. I will expose you to the fans. We just got the antenna off. That's the hole that it went through right there. Now we're just gonna make sure everything is good to go. Everything is nice and clean. And then we can start wrapping.
Do they bend it?
There it is. We got everything we need here. We got the water. Camacho ordered a heat gun. We got the knife. And I think that's everything that you need for this install. Here we go. We got the vinyl on top of the roof ready to go. Ongo, come on this way.
I'm just pulling it.
Huh?
Are you pulling it?
Is y'all ready or is y'all ready?
I said, yeah, no. Set it down like that.
Hold on, hold on. Pull it like tight. Like pull.
Should we take it all off now?
Yeah.
Might as well.
Pull tight.
Pull it off.
Right there?
Yeah. Go.
Okay.
Set it.
And then leave some for the...
Wait, what about this side?
Lay down.
Just lay down.
But it'll pull it like slow.
Dude, I'm hella
Lay
scared.
down.
Just lay down.
Just don't let it wrinkle up.
This fool.
Danny, come take over.
Lay it down.
Oh. Like $100, huh?
Damn. Fuck her.
Why is it
It's gonna be a little tough.
This is where you get the heat gun.
There's dirt under, dude.
So Ongo's gonna wrap the antenna.
You give me the hard one.
Well, shit. This is plan B. Because heat gun decided not to work. Welcome to basic auto styling, because this is definitely not premium. Say it. What'd you say?
This is styling.
Auto styling.
Coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I don't need this.
We found out fucking Ongo can rap. Look at that. Come here, Ongo.
I'm a rapper. But I'm not.
How'd you do that? Hell yeah. So we finally got the roof wrap on and we got all the bubbles out. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it is fully on. The only trouble that we had was the rear left corner. It's a little windy out today and we totally forgot. Once we lifted the wrap up, some dirt went in through it and was able to get underneath the wrap. It's not terrible, it's not very noticeable, but it's there. Yeah, but it came out good. I like it. And it's just literally this corner right here. I'm getting rid of your pieces.
Straight down. Straight down. Just go straight down.
That was so bad.
The I premium.
It's alright. It's alright.
We'll get it done, you know? Won't be good, but tip ahead of
I mean, it's still alright, but
Here, hit a hell good of it. And you're gonna stretch the fuck out of it.
No, it doesn't pull
You have
back
to cut
anymore.
it.
No,
To like right here.
like I can cut it to the edge, but it's just gonna flare up.
How's that?
Buddy, I'm a master rapper.
Oh, chinelas, come here.
What the?
What the?
Guys, as we can see, everything comes off, but then nothing comes back together.
It goes back on right.
Oh, there we go. My center console's still gonna be broken. Indeed.
Is that in right?
Me with a
So
gun.
we determined that if you're legally blind, you have monovision, and if you squint a little bit, the wrap actually looks pretty good.
It's not that bad.
But now for real guys, this wrap actually came out 10 times better than we had expected. Check that out. Looks good. We have some imperfections here and there, but for the most part, I think it came out pretty good. But yeah guys, let us know what you think. Definitely not perfect, but it came out really good.